Today we will use mesh command in Draftsight. In mesh command, like this is the size of text is bigger and size of text is smaller. If I want similar size, uh, then what we will do? I will enter enter, okay, and I will click on this text. The size of text will become similar as this is a bigger size. So size of text will be increased from the small. Okay. And one more thing, if I want to rotate this text, I will enter arrow enter. So here I can see I can rotate this text. I will stop this text. Okay. If I want to rotate in 90 degree, so what I will do, I will press Fn8. So it our text will rotate in 90 degree. I will select this text. I will enter arrow, enter for rotate the text. You can see it's rotated in 90 degree. If I will do like this, it will go in that direction.